Hello everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to make a signature brush. Now, as creatives, we like to be recognized for the work that we do. One way of achieving this is to add our signature, either on the back of the piece or in one of the bottom corners. Now, with digital photography, unless you have a pen tablet, this can prove difficult, but not if you take a few moments to create a signature brush. To start with, what you need to do is just write your signature in black ink on a sheet of plain paper and take a photograph of it. Now, as you can see from the image on the screen, it doesn't have to be top quality, high grade photography. This was a shot taken using just my phone, and you can see compositionally, lighting wise, is absolutely dreadful. It doesn't matter at this stage because we're going to rectify that. Once you've loaded it into Photoshop, call up your levels, which is Control or Command L. Select the black eyedropper tool, come across and just click on your text. Now this sets your black point. So if we select the white eyedropper, you want to choose the darkest part of your white backdrop. So in this instance, it's either the top left or top right hand corner. So if I just select there, this now sets my white point and ensures that I have where it should be a pure black text, but because of the brush stroke that I've used, you can see it has almost like a chalk effect, which actually I don't mind, and I'm gonna keep that. I'm not gonna go back and try and do it again. I actually quite like that effect. So once we've got that, hit OK. And then select your square marquee tool, and you want to create a tight crop around your text or around your signature. Once you're happy with that, come up to Edit, Define Brush Preset. Simply name your brush. So in this case, we'll call it Signature. Hit OK. And you can see there, I now have a signature brush, and we can make this larger or smaller. Let's just deselect that. We can make this smaller or larger just using the open and close bracket keys, and we can also change the color just like you normally would. Just select it from the color palette. There we have it. So if I choose a different color, let's go nice and green, it's green. It works in the same way as any other brush stroke would. And if you come up to your brushes here, you'll find it at the very bottom of your brush palette. And there we go, guys. Look, it's no more complicated than that. So next time you pull up a photograph, and you wanted to add your signature, let's just throw it in a corner here. Let's keep it green, and there we go. You've added your mark to that photograph. Nothing more complicated than that. So there we go, guys. I hope that you found this useful. It's a very quick guide. It's a very quick process to do, but you've got the brush there now, so you don't have to do that every time. You just go to your brushes and you can sign your images literally at the click of a button. As I say, guys, I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video or like this guide if you found it useful, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts, and let's just have a conversation. Guys, take care, and I shall see you next time.